How to verify Wix website on Google Search Console. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to verify Wix website on Google Search Console. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, go to Wix and go to My Sites or Websites. Here, select the website that you want to do this with. Take note, however, that in this tutorial, you're going to need a premium plan. Click on the site and go to Marketing and SEO. Once you're in, click on SEO Tools. Next, click on Site Verification and click Google Search Console. Then, click on this blue link right here that says Google Search Console. This will redirect you to the Google Search Console. Next, grab your domain name and paste it here in the URL prefix. Click on Continue and wait for it to check your verification. Next, click on the HTML tag and scroll down and click Copy. Now go back to Wix and paste the HTML link that you have just copied in this text box. Then hit save. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!